All right, YouTube, so more frequently than not, we've been sending these trailers around to places that do not have an outdoor loading dock. So what we've done, I have a commercial rollback here with a mini skid steer with the hitch plate, and what we're going to do is back the rollback up to the rear of the trailer, use the mini skid with the hitch plate, pull the log loader trailer from the semi-trailer back onto the deck of the rollback, and then set everything to the ground. So fingers crossed, here we go. All right, so we have the deck extended. We're at the proper height for the back of the semi-trailer. We have the secure leg down so nothing bounces around or drops once the weight gets transferred. We'll finish getting things unstrapped and pull her on out. So I kind of ran out of room up here in the front. We went ahead and secured the trailer, so when I lower it to the ground, it's all there. We'll get this last tire to kind of drop on the back of the rollback, but then we got to move some of his boxes back in, but this is how we're going to unload this RFR 07 heavy duty, 21-foot loader on it. Folks, there you have it. From semi to rollback to setting it right on the ground. Worked out pretty nice. Rubbed the trailer a little bit coming out of the semi, so we'll get that reflective tape there cut off and redone. But other than that, it looks pretty good. Can't wait to get it home, play with it, and do a little bit more video on this RFR 07 heavy duty bunk trailer with the 21-foot reach grapple on it.